you talked about pressure on the teeth. Dr. Marshall, a lot of people, they grind their teeth. Most of the time they don't know it, especially if they're doing it at night when they're asleep. So what's the medical term for that, and how is it traditionally treated?
So the medical term is bruxism, and that describes clenching or grinding. And usually what will happen is their jaw will be tight, sometimes even their muscles down their neck and up their temple can be tight as well.
Yeah, I can imagine that's a lot of pain that they're dealing with.